Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Light green color, orange color, blue color, red color, pink color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Circle, star, heart, pentagon, triangle and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, star, heart, Pentagon, triangle, square. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, orange color, star, red color, heart, pink color, pentagon, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, square. What we learn? We learn green color, circle, orange color, star, red color, heart, pink color, pentagon, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.